Welcome. What we're going to do is enroll in a program that has more than one class in it today. Let's look at the Graphic Design Certificate program. First, we're going to go to navigate to the specific schedule page. On that program page, you see all the individual classes you need to enroll in. In order to earn your certification, you need to register for all classes on this page. Pick the first course here and click Register. Fill out all the information. Then, at the bottom of the page, click Add another course. Depending on your browser, this may go back to the home page or open a new tab. Next, click Register on the next class to add to your cart. Continue to repeat this process for each class until you have all in your cart. Once we've gotten through all of our courses, then we come down here to the bottom of the page and click Checkout. For individuals, click Individual. If you're working with or from an organization, click Organization and enter the company or agency information. Choose your payment method. When working with an agency like a workforce center, follow the directions as provided by admissions and choose Invoice. Your tuition invoice will be settled after you enroll. After you complete checkout, you will get a confirmation via email. You can check your classes anytime on our website under My Account. If you have any questions, send an email to info@digitalworkshopcenter.com.